Today with us we have a beautiful collection of Mangal Sutra with black bead as well as chains with beautiful motifs in diamonds. We are going live from Mangatrai Jewels, Jubilee Hills, Road number 36, Hyderabad. Let's go through each piece separately. The first beautiful piece that we have is a chain with small motifs hanging, diamonds with emeralds. A very delicate piece priced at 1,20,000. A beautiful delicate piece, a chain with motifs for your party wear, lunch wear, dinner wear, simple pieces. Next is a simple Mangal Sutra with a simple delicate locket with black beads, gold chain, priced at 37,000. Priced at 37,000. With black beads, gold and a single motif. The next piece is a long locket with black beads, gold, diamonds. All the diamonds that you see are VVS EF clarity and quality, priced at 98,000. This pretty piece is a regular wear Mangal Sutra. The next piece is a bit of a party wear delicate locket, again with black bead chain, priced at 60,000. A beautiful piece, beautiful locket with gold ball, diamonds, emerald with chain, black bead chain. The next piece that you see is another chain with 7 hangings, beautiful hangings. They are small sized delicate daily wear chain. We've made this statement pieces for an edge, to add an edge to your look. This pretty piece is priced at 1.5 lakh. Beautiful hangings, lockets, a regular wear chain, gives a great look for Western wear as well as Indian. Goes really well. Another Mangal Sutra, traditional Mangal Sutra, priced at 1.3 lakh, all diamonds, black beads chain. The next piece is another Mangal Sutra with close setting diamonds. The setting that you see here is a close setting, very differently made piece with beautiful flower shaped hangings. 3 lockets, priced at 1,04,000 with black beads again. This is an interesting 2 chain locket Mangal Sutra, reasonably priced at 66,000. A beautiful hanging, 2 chain Mangal Sutra. It's attached from here, and beyond this you will get a single chain. One chain can go close to the neck and one will be a little lower. A beautiful hanging with locket. It's priced at 66,000. Another traditional Mangal Sutra with emerald. If you add color stones, it gives an edge to your look. This particular piece is priced at 92,000. So all our viewers, anybody liking any piece, please take a screenshot and our numbers are mentioned in the bio. You can WhatsApp us and we'll give out all the details. If any queries on this live, you can also message in the live and I will definitely respond. The next piece is another chain with small delicate lockets. A beautiful piece priced at 1.1 lakh. Delicate daily wear chain. These are all made in 18 karat, ma'am. These pieces are all made in 18 karat and the diamonds are VVS EF quality and clarity. Daily wear chains. This is another delicate locket with black beads chain priced at 41,000. Another close setting piece. All the pieces can be made as a Mangal Sutra. These are actually Mangal Sutra. The next piece is a beautiful curation, again with close setting, yet it looks really Western. Priced at 1.6 lakh. Another chain style. Can be worn close to the neck as well as a chain, long chain. These pieces really go well with your Western wear as well. The next piece we have is another traditional Mangal Sutra, priced at 93,000. Any queries, please WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp numbers are mentioned in the bio. And you can also visit our store for personal shopping experience. We are located at Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad, Mangatrai Jewels. We are also available for online shopping, video call shopping. We do international shipping as well as shipping within India. We do provide doorstep delivery in Hyderabad as well as other cities in the country. The next piece is another traditional Mangal Sutra. This piece is priced at 1.1 lakh. Beautiful traditional piece with a bird motif in the center. Next we have a bit of a heavy piece for all the brides looking something really fancy for your big day. This is the right piece, again a close setting diamonds Mangal Sutra. It's priced at 1.7 lakh. Ma'am, all these pieces can be made in black diamonds as well. They can be made in black diamonds. The chain can be changed to black diamonds. The customization of every piece is available with us. This is a more grander looking piece, so all the brides looking for something really fancy for your big day, these are the right pieces. We have a lot of designs in our store, close setting with black diamonds. You can schedule a video call with us and we'll show you all the pieces. This is an interesting 3 motif flower piece priced at 1.5 lakh with a great cluster of diamonds. These are big sized diamonds. They look really good and delicate while worn. Again with black beads and gold chain. And another piece with coral. An interesting traditional Mangal Sutra with coral, priced at 73,000. Black diamonds, black beads and gold chain. All the pieces that you see can be made in black diamonds as well. Let's go through the pieces once again. We have these interesting chains. Daily wear, lunch wear, dinner wear, they go really well with your western wear as well. This is priced at 1.2 lakh. The next is a delicate Mangal Sutra, priced at 37,000. So to all my viewers, anybody liking any piece, please take a screenshot and share with us on our WhatsApp numbers mentioned in the bio, and we'll get back to you. If you would like to see some more pieces with us, you can WhatsApp us and schedule a video call. We can share pictures as well. This particular piece priced at 98,000, a beautiful locket. They look really well when you wear it close to your neck. It gives a beautiful U shape. Very trendy and nice. This particular traditional piece is priced at 60,000. Again with black beads and gold chain. An interesting chain. For all those who are looking for delicate jewelry which can be worn on regular basis, for somebody going out for lunches, dinners, easy wear jewelry, priced at 1.5 lakh. Next piece is priced at 1.3 lakh, a beautiful locket. Again a Mangal Sutra with black beads and gold chain. This next piece, another Mangal Sutra with close setting, diamonds. All the pieces that you see can be made, custom made. This is priced at 1 lakh. This is my personal favorite, a delicate two-lined Mangal Sutra, trendy piece, priced at 66,000. Next is this beautiful locket, again with emerald stone, priced at 92,000. And then we have this chain, again with beautiful hangings, diamond hangings, gold chain, delicate piece, priced at 1.1 lakh. All the certification for these pieces will be provided by us. This delicate Mangal Sutra priced at 41,000. And the last chain, beautiful chain, priced at 1.6 lakh. They look really pretty once worn. Then we have the Mangal Sutra. This particular piece is priced at 93,000. Then we have this traditional piece, which is priced at 1.1 lakh. This particular piece I would recommend to the brides looking for something for your main day, a close setting piece. It's priced at 1.7. They look really nice for bigger occasions. Another piece, Another piece. This is priced at 1.5 lakh. For brides looking for something simple yet beautiful, this is the right choice. And the final piece with coral and diamonds. Close setting again. Traditional piece priced at 73,000. So all our viewers, any piece that you like, please do share a screenshot with us, and we'll get back to you with prices, details. You can schedule a video call with us for more pieces in this style, and for personal shopping experience, you can visit our store, Mangathrai Jewels, Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. We will be saving this live on our Reels section. So anybody who's missed out on any of the piece, you can definitely look back and share a screenshot for something that you're looking for. Today's live is about Mangal Sutra, beautiful pieces. Thank you for joining our live.